Hello, Elizabeth here, and today we are reliving all of your favorite childhood memories because we are making Dunkaroos. I made this recipe for a get-together with some friends a few weeks ago, and when I posted a picture of it on my Instagram story, I got a ton of replies asking for the recipe. So that's what we're going to make today. To make homemade Dunkaroos, you will need a box of funfetti or rainbow chip cake mix, a tub of frosting, I'm using fluffy white, a tub of whipped topping or Cool Whip, some extra rainbow sprinkles, and whatever cookie or cracker you want to dip in your Dunkaroos dip. I'm using Teddy Grahams. I like to mix it all up in a large bowl and then transfer it into a nice casserole dish for serving. Let's do it!
First, combine the cake mix, Cool Whip, and frosting in a large mixing bowl. I like to mix everything together with a spoon first until the cake mix is incorporated, and then continue mixing it with a hand mixer until it's nice and fluffy. Then I add in the extra rainbow sprinkles and fold them in with a spoon. I just eyeball it until it looks pretty. Then I transfer it into a casserole dish for serving. I use a rubber spatula to spread it out to the edges and then put a nice little swirl down the middle. Finally, I line the edges with my Teddy Grahams so they can all have a nice little soak in their rainbow frosting hot tub. Those ones get soggy, so they're not the best for actually eating, but they make it look super cute. To serve it, I put a spoon in the dip for people to serve onto plates and then have the Teddy Grahams next to it in a separate bowl so guests can take as much as they want.
And that's all there is to it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. It's a real crowd pleaser and so easy to make. Let me know in the comments if you give it a try and if you have any tweaks to make this recipe even better. See you later!